Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I hope you are fine. All right. Today is Monday, right? And today, the first session, we have Hangout 5. All right. So today we continue to page 104, 105. Here, open your book all together on page 104, 105. Are you at the same page, everyone? Good. In this unit, we focus on connect. Connect with what, everyone? Connect with technology. Connect with technology. And today, we will read and learn some difficult words in the passage. Tomorrow, we will read and try to understand all the meaning in each paragraph. Okay? But today, please focus on the difficult words first. Okay, so now read the first paragraph and then I show you the difficult words, okay? The tiniest computer in the world. The Raspberry Pi is the tiniest, lightest computer available in the world. The largest recipe model is 85 multiplied by 56 millimeter. It's not the brightest and the most colorful, but it can teach students a lot about math and science. It's used in schools around the world. Okay, in this paragraph, we have some difficult words, right? We have the name, the Raspberry Pi, the Raspberry Pi. You can pronounce raspberry. The Raspberry Pi, available, okay? Alright, so now let's continue to the second paragraph. There are 3 generations of Raspberry Pi models. The first is a Raspberry Pi. The second is a Raspberry Pi 2. Now there's a Raspberry Pi Zero. The Raspberry Pi Zero is the newest model and it's also the least expensive. It only costs $5. Older models were $25 to $35. The Raspberry Pi was created by scientists in London. The scientists noticed that students in many countries were doing poorly on their computer science exams. They decided that the problem was that computers were very expensive. Many schools, especially those in poorer countries, could not afford them. So, the scientists created an inexpensive computer to use in classrooms. Okay, so in this paragraph, we have a lot of difficult words, right? We have generation, cost, notice, afford, inexpensive. This one just the word expensive, you just add in front of it, right? Yeah, inexpensive. Okay, so now let's continue to the last paragraph altogether, everyone. Students can do many things with the Raspberry Pi. They can draw simple graphics, take pictures, and create stories. They can even record and play sound. Over 2 million Raspberry Pi Zero computers have been sold. Now, there are even a Raspberry Jam events. Raspberry Pi owners meet at these events to share knowledge. The scientists who created the Raspberry Pi hope every child will soon have their own computer. Okay, so in the last paragraph, we have some 3 more difficult words, right? We have graphic, take pictures, and owner. Okay, so now read the 10 words with me again, everyone. The Raspberry Pi, available, generation, cost, notice, afford, inexpensive, graphic, take pictures, owner. Okay, so in this session we focus on the word in the passage, and tomorrow we will read and I will explain each paragraph to all of you. Then you will understand and you will answer the comprehension question. Okay, so this is the end of our first session and see you in the second session.